What are the new taxation changes in debt funds? Financial expert Mr. Hariharan will elaborate on this. Hari, over to you.
From 1st of April, whatever you earn in debt in terms of capital gain is taxed as per your income tax slab. Before that, there used to be what is called as short term and long term. Definition was that if you buy a debt mutual fund and you invest for less than 3 years, that used to be called as short term. And if you make profits on those investments, you pay there's a short term capital gain tax that you pay, which was added to your income. So as per your slab. Okay. On the other hand, if you stayed invested in the debt mutual fund for more than 3 years, which means you buy and sell after 3 years, you make a profit. That's called long-term capital gain. You used to get a benefit called as indexation benefit. Now, indexation is nothing but adjusting for inflation. So what it means is that, let's take a very simple example. If you invest, say, 100 rupees, and after 3 years, you sell the investment for 130 rupees, you make a profit of 30 rupees. But the government says that in those 3 years, there is also an inflation. So you remove the inflation component from your profits. So let's hypothetically assume that 20 rupees was inflation. So out of 30 rupees profit, which you actually got, you subtract 20 rupees. So you are left with only 10 rupees. So the government says your profit is not 30 rupees. It's only 10 rupees. And you pay tax at 20%. That was a flat rate. Okay, so 20% on that 10 rupees, which is 2 rupees. So you actually made a profit of 30 rupees, but you have paid tax of only 2 rupees. So that's what was the indexation benefit. The calculation is a slightly different than what I told you, but this is from a layman example. This is how it used to work. So there was a clear-cut advantage of holding debt mutual funds for more than 3 years, because when the longer you hold, you would appreciate that the inflation component will keep rising, and therefore your profits will look lower, not the absolute profit, the net profit, and therefore you end up paying very little tax, or sometimes no tax also. So that advantage has sort of been removed from the debt mutual fund, and everything today is now taxed as per your slab.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.